Data breach response firms versus in-house security and legal teams. Which one is better for fast response? You won't believe how often companies underestimate the speed needed in a data breach. The surprising truth is that the first hours after a breach can make or break containment and compliance outcomes. Data breach response firms specialize in rapid incident management. They have experienced cybersecurity experts, forensic analysts, and legal advisors ready to identify the breach, contain the threat, and communicate with regulators. For instance, when a multinational firm experiences a ransomware attack, these firms quickly determine the affected systems, secure evidence for potential investigations, and help notify impacted parties in line with data protection laws. In-house security and legal teams understand the company systems and policies, but often lack the bandwidth or specialized tools to respond at high speed during complex breaches. They may be slower in forensic analysis or regulatory reporting, especially if the breach spans multiple jurisdictions. The key difference is specialization versus internal knowledge. Response firms bring deep experience and advanced tools for immediate containment, while in-house teams provide context and continuity. The most effective approach combines both. The response firm leads rapid mitigation while internal teams manage communication, corporate governance, and long-term remediation. The takeaway is simple: fast, coordinated action is critical to reduce reputational and financial damage. The surprising truth is that companies that invest in specialized breach response capabilities often limit losses, avoid regulatory fines, and recover operations faster than those relying solely on in-house teams.